Ahorita en la mañana. No, yo ni lo hice. No me puse a mí. Yo no fui. No, yo no fui.
¿Quién fue? Sí, ya la tengo.
That's coming right from there. Crazy. Están viendo. I was like, oh shit. Cartel really run it out here. I'm telling you. Yo, is there a reason why you guys have like this air conditioning on compared to the other ones? I was like, shoot. So you guys just only have that one on? You guys don't have the other ones on? You guys have to have that one on?
I think they're all on. It's just really cold back here.
No, yeah, I checked the other ones. They're not on. I just wanted to make sure. I was like, I'm gonna sue McDonald's. Huh? This is the only air conditioning that's on. Yeah. Yeah. I really don't understand it. Why does it have to be one air conditioning on? Alright, man. See, because one in West LA and Santa Monica, they're like, oh yeah, it's programmed. Alright. The air conditioning is programmed? Like, come on, nobody's believing that anymore. Have you ever noticed that, like, they're not done with the ice raids still yet? They're still not done. They're still having a lot of trouble with that, actually. But you wouldn't know, because, like, it'll be right in the back of your head. Carteles. Corruptaciones. I was like, oh my goodness. I told you, I was like, man. Cartel everywhere. They have to make their money. Also, doesn't Mexico usually say, like, they say it time and time again, that female Mexican president, she's like, oh, you owe us money. Don't understand it.